Today we're making shrimp pasta in a creamy vodka sauce. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, let's start by marinating our shrimp. Here I'll add some oil and I will add some seasoning, which I will list in the description or the caption. Mix well to combine and set aside to marinate for about 15 minutes. Next, we're going to go ahead and boil our pasta. I added salt to the water, and today I'm using mafaldine pasta, but you can use any pasta of choice. We're going to let that boil until al dente and set it to the side. Next, we're going to go ahead and cook our shrimp. I added a little oil to my pot, and we're going to cook this for about a minute per side. Once done, remove from the pot and set aside. Next, we're going to go ahead and add some butter to the same pot. Then we'll come in with some onions and garlic. Give it a good mix, allow to go for about 2 minutes. So at this point, we're going to come in with our vodka. If you don't want to use vodka, you can simply use some of the pasta water. I'm going to add that in, allow it to cook down a bit to remove the harsh alcoholic taste, and then we'll come in with some heavy whipping cream. We'll also add some pasta sauce here, give it a good mix before we come in with our cheese. Today I'll be using some gruyere and parmesan cheese. Add that in, give it a little mix and allow it to melt before we come in with the seasonings. Like I said, all of the ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description or the caption. Let that go for about a minute or so before we add our pasta. We will come in with some fresh parsley and our shrimp. Give everything a real good toss, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. One thing about a pasta dish, it will be done in under 30 minutes. Now we can plate up and enjoy this. Here you have it, shrimp pasta in a creamy vodka sauce. This was so delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. Quick, easy, and simple for when you don't feel like doing too much. So give it a try. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll leave all the ingredients, like I said, in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.